How to make a heat pump? New Energy knows the most efficient way. As the biggest heat pump manufacturer in China, New Energy has different production lines for different heat pumps. The copper pipe is processed by digital pipe cutter and bender robot, which makes efficiency and accuracy improved a lot. By detecting, positioning, lifting, and repositioning, every compressor is installed precisely by ABB robot hand. In mass production, New Energy can produce at least 2,000 sets of heat pump a day. New Energy innovatively come up with the first helium test concept by bringing in the automatic helium leakage test machine. Generally, traditional heat pump factories implement vacuuming and injection one by one. However, New Energy adopts 6 posts in each line to do the vacuuming and injection. By automatic distributing, every unit can be sent to the unoccupied post in the shortest time. Instead of manual operation, automatic safety test makes it safer and more efficient. There is no longer electric shock risk and personal error. According to first in and first out principle, every heat pump will be tested in automatic running test line for around 30 minutes. The test equipment records all the data to make sure every detail is correct. New Energy heat pumps are well packed by automatic sealing and packing machine. After automatically stacked, the heat pumps will be delivered to warehouse. To guarantee the product quality, New Energy has a strict QC system, including IQC, IPQC, FOC, OQC. Every step is implemented according to the detailed requirements. There are 13 TÜV certified heat pump labs. 12 labs are for different climate running tests. 1 is for noise test. At the same time, New Energy also introduces different equipment to test the material reliability. Thermal shock chamber, capacitor reliability tester, running vibration system, transportation vibration system, salt spray cabinet, etc. Because of the efficient and reliable production, New Energy has obtained lots of honors. In 2014, New Energy became the exclusive partner of Chinese Antarctic and Arctic Expedition. In 2018, New Energy became the exclusive partner of 18th Asia Games. New Energy will keep leading heat pump industry and endeavor to bring more technologies to make the world better.